Good day, everyone. Learn how to create invoice in Google Sheet in any Android or iPhone. So, firstly, you need to download and install the Google Sheets, where you can simply search Sheets and you will find Google Sheets with 1 million down reviews, 1 billion downloads. You can also update it if it's already installed. Once it is downloaded and installed, you just need to click on open, and very quickly we will create a invoice without any delay. So currently it's installing, almost done, and here we go. We'll open it now. I'll click on this plus icon and then I'll select choose template, and here we will scroll down and you will find invoice. So I'll click on that. So here we have the invoice. You can make it larger or smaller according to your convenience. And here you can change the company name by simply clicking on that and change the items payable to, description, unit price, total price, and enter the address. And this is how you can create. And if you want to send it or print it, you can simply click on this top right corner where you have the three dots. Click on that, and then you can simply click on make a copy or just click on share and export, and then send a copy or give a copy link or save as PDF, Excel, whatever you want to. The best one will be the PDF. And just click on OK, and it will save it for you. And currently, we have successfully opened the PDF, and you can click on the three dots from the top and share with whom, wherever you want to. So, this is how you can create invoice in Google Sheets in mobile phone. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.